What's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to go over or give you a quick update on a new service that we're offering, which is a power of attorney. Now, I know we've offered this in the past, but it was basically just you signing, me signing, and us mailing them in. Well, now through our software, we are able to have an actual online notary do the notary with you via a video call. So if that's something you guys are interested in, as you can see, I screenshotted straight from the software. It will cost you an additional $20. However, it is a one-time fee. You pay $20, then you'll set up the call with the online notary because it has to be with them. It's not something that I can do in-house or anything like that. Once it's signed, it will automatically go into the software and I will mail them out with your letters every single round. Now, the purpose in having them notarized instead of just sending them without being notarized is supposedly the bureaus take them more seriously and you're gonna get a lot less stall letters. Some people swear by this, that you'll never see a stall letter again by doing this. Those birds are loud. Sorry. But you're going to get a stall letter no matter what. I've said this and I'll say it again. Yeah, and my neighbor has chickens. So, but no matter what you do, they're going to send stall letters. But don't let that discourage you. Just because you receive a stall letter does not mean they're not going to investigate. Remember, this is an automated system that is mailing you out these stall letters. Because most of my clients who get stall letters, they still get deletions as well. These stall letters were created to make you not want to fix your credit. Because remember, when you fix your credit, you're taking money out of their pockets. This is how they make their money, selling your information. So if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.